Hello everyone. Welcome back to this real property law series. In this video, let's break down adverse possession, often called squatters' rights, and see how it works in Victoria, Australia. So, what is adverse possession? Adverse possession means claiming legal ownership of land by using it, without permission of the real owner of the land. If you do this long enough and meet the rules, the true owner can lose their title. Why does the law allow this? The idea is that land shouldn't be wasted. If the true owner ignores it, and someone else looks after it like it's their own, the law can reward that and bring certainty to ownership. There are two main things you must prove to own the title of land. First one is factual possession, which means you physically control and use the land like an owner. Second is intention to possess, you meant to exclude everyone else, even the true owner. In Victoria, you must do this for at least 15 years under the Limitation of Actions Act 1958 to own the title of the land. A well-known Australian example is Shaw v. Garbutt, 1996. In this matter, the Garbutts fenced off land they thought was theirs and used it as a backyard for years. They acted like true owners, kept others out, and after 15 years they got legal title through adverse possession. Another important case is Mulcahy v. Curramore Proprietary Limited, 1974. It shows that simple use isn't enough, you must use the land in a way that clearly shows you mean to own it, like fencing it off or building on it. So remember, to claim adverse possession you must control the land, keep others out, and hold it for the full legal time. Do all that, and you might gain legal title, even if you didn't start out as the owner. If this helped you understand adverse possession, please subscribe, like this video, and drop your questions in the comments. I'd love to help.